If you're searching for a new heating and air conditioning system in Roseville or Rockland, California, you really shouldn't be worried about the brand. Every brand has components that are sourced from all around the world. They might be made in America, they're just assembled here. All the parts are coming from different various parts in the world. Most of the components that are used in a Trane are the same components that are used in a Carrier. There really isn't much secret sauce between the two different brands. What you really are picking is the installing contractor. The warranties based on brand in California do not matter. It's 10 years on your parts. So if you're getting really frustrated sifting through the different brands and you really would like to speak to a professional to understand what the best type of heating and air system is for your house, give us a call at Kendrick Heating and Air, because your comfort is our calling.